Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can install a free IDE for you to code in it and make things easier for you. So first open a tab and search up Python download, PyCharm download, and then you don't wanna click the first thing. Now click this, download PyCharm, the Python IDE, and yeah, as you can see, you're gonna download it. It's gonna download it, and it's gonna take a while for you, but yeah, gonna just time lapse this. As you can see, it's done. And yeah, I'm gonna open up my File Explorer and just download it. As you can see, you just wanna press yes, next. Then you can just select PyCharm version that you want to uninstall. I already have it, so I want to uninstall this. You can see now over here I get this pop-up, but you will not get it because you're downloading PyCharm for the first time. So it says PyCharm Community Edition will be installed from the following order. And yeah, please confirm if you would like to delete the caches and settings. So as you can see, I'm installing, and I'm gonna time lapse this because no one wants to see this. As you can see, my download is, or my uninstallation is complete. So I'm gonna close it. And yeah, you could just press next. And then make sure to follow my step. So configure your PyCharm installation. So if you wanna create a desktop shortcut, you can check this. Yes, I wanna, and update path variable, restart needed. I think you'll get this or you not, but I'ma check it. And update context menu, I'm also gonna check that. Then you just wanna check all of this if you wanna, because maybe you need them. As you can see, then you can just do not create shortcuts. And yeah, I'm gonna time lapse this too. So as you can see, completing PyCharm setup, and you can check this, finish. And then PyCharm should run. My PyCharm did run, so I can confirm and say on this. And you can import settings. So if I want, I can import this, and we're gonna and over here you're gonna press new. Press new and new project. Over here, as you can see, you could check this, but for now I'm gonna pick 3.13. As you can see, I'm gonna do create. You can close this. So now over here you could just click this. As you can see, main.py, it already created by itself. And yeah, you could Control A or Command A for Mac, I think, and for Windows, I think it's Control A and delete or backspace. So over here, we're gonna run our first program in Python. So you're gonna write print and then say hello world. Let me just make it bigger. So it needs to analyze if this happens to you. If the print is white, it just needs to analyze it. But if I run it, it says hello world. And yeah, in the next tutorial, I'm gonna talk about how you can make variables, data types, and also explain what PyCharm is. And yeah, bye guys.